big swimming pool?
That means 100 swimming.
Is it big or small swimming pool?
100 big and some 15 small.
Wow, that is big. And do you have the let's say the boat? Do you have a boat or the surfboard to play in the swimming pool?
Yes.
Yes, it's like a banana boat. You can sit on a banana boat.
Yes.
I love that. Okay, so you go swimming. What else?
No.
What else do you do, Kamimia? Oh my God, you're having so much fun. So you go swimming and what else? What else do you do at the resort? Just sleeping and
It's barbecue.
barbecue. I love barbecue so much. I love you too. But do you cook? Do you have Kamimia, do you have to prepare food for your dad and your mom? Who is the one that make the barbecue in your family?
What?
Who is the one that make the barbecue?
My mom.
So mom is the one who cook it?
Barbecue.
Only mom? What about daddy?
Daddy sits and eat.
He just eat and drink. Oh, wow! What a happy life! And sing.
Sing too. I sing the ugly ducks.
Oh, really? You sing the ugly duckling? Okay, do you remember what is the ugly duckling song, Kamimia?
I think I love my grandma.
Oh, okay, that is better.
And I think I love my mom and I love my dad.
Oh, that's so sweet. What about Kemi? Do you sing? Did you sing? Kemi, did you sing any song?
Yes.
I can't sing. I'm sorry, Kemi. I'm sorry, Kemi. Okay, so you went to the resort, you had the barbecue, we go swimming. What else do you do, Kemi, Mia? Did you go hiking? Did you go riding the bicycle around? Yes? Do you have a bicycle, Kemi, Mia?
Yes.
What color is your bicycle? A bicycle, not the tricycle, okay? The bicycle had 2 wheels. Can you ride the bicycle by yourself?
The tricycle is only one wheel.
No, it's the one wheel is the unicycle. Unicycle, 1 wheel, okay? But the tricycle had 3 wheels. So how many wheels do the bike have?
I have 2.
2, okay, so that is the bicycle. 2 wheels is the bicycle. So can you ride the bicycle by yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. Great job.
Bicycles.
4?
4.
Oh my, so many. With the paddle to row. Oh, okay, so you can really ride the bicycles.
I 5.
So many. Why so many? Why so many bicycles?
No, I 5. 2 more.
And
I'm 6.
6?
I'm 6.
Oh my. So who bought you?
4.
Who bought you those bicycle, Kemi, Mia?
I am buying 2 more.
You are going to buy 2 more. And who is buying the bicycle for you, Mia?
My dad.
I see your dad loves you so much. That's why he buys so many. I see your bicycle. Kemi, I can see it. Is it pink with the basket on it?
Yes.
Can you ride the bicycle?
It's downstairs.
Oh, it's downstairs. Can you ride the bicycle to the school?
No.
Why not? Yes, why not? Is the school near to your house?
No, but when we bigger and bigger, we can ride the bicycle.
Exactly. When you get a little bit bigger, you can ride the bicycle to the school. It's not too far, and if you're gonna be safer when you get older, when you grow bigger. So wow. So Kami Mia, do you know why you have a holiday? What holiday is that? Is that Christmas or New Year or Halloween? What holiday?
Look at my mouth.
What is that? What do you have in your mouth? What is that? Is that the food? Can you eat it? Is it candy? Candy? We are eating candy too. We have Anna here already, so we can start. All right. Where did it go? Are you put down? You trick me. You are very good, Mia. You trick me. Hello, Anna. Can you hear me? Anna, where are you? Let us start the lesson today. We're going to play a very fun game. But before that, we're going to talk about the ugly duckling story. Let's hope you remember.
Một con vịt sẽ
but this is not the real duckling. Okay, she's not the duckling. No. Anna, how are you? Great, you're very happy. Okay, where did you go yesterday, Anna?
Yesterday, I go hometown.
You go back to the hometown. Very good. Okay, and what did you do in your hometown?
Play with my dad, and my mom, and my grandma.
Wow. And do you go fishing with your dad? Fishing?
No.
Do you go running in the field?
No.
Yes, I see you running in the field, Anna. I see you running. Your mom make a video of you running in the field. I can see it. Okay, Mia, Kami, Anna. Let's talk about the ugly duckling. Question number 1. Mia.
The ugly duckling is hatching from the egg.
Very good. The ugly duckling is hatching from the egg. Correct. Is that the big egg or the small egg? A very big egg. That's why it takes time to hatch. Okay. Next one. Kami, Mia, Anna.
The ugly duckling is very sad.
It's very sad. Why? Why is he very sad?
Because everyone don't like to play with him.
Why no one wants to play with him, Anna, Mia?
Because it's too ugly.
Because he's too ugly. So do you play with someone who is too ugly?
Yes.
Yes. Why not? We don't because our faith is not important. What important is our heart. Okay. So we play with everyone who has a beautiful heart. Good job, Kami Mia. All right. So he is very sad because no one gonna play with him. What is that, Anna? What is that? The duckling?
The ugly duckling is
Running.
Beautiful swan.
Very good. The ugly duckling is turning into a beautiful swan. And where is him? Where is he turning into the swan? Where?
In the pond.
In the beautiful pond. Very good. And he can see yourself in the water. That's why he was very sharp. Number 4. Anna, Kemi? Yeah. In the story, animals are living in the
farm.
very good. Animals are living in the farm. So which animal are living in the farm in the story? Kemi, Anna, Mia.
Duck.
The dogs and
Swan.
chickens. Chicken on the hands. There is also geese. There are a lot of farm animals here. The dog and the cat also. Oh, that's very cute, Anna. Number 5. What color is the ugly duckling? Anna, what color is the ugly duckling?
It's gray.
It's gray. Very good. Okay, what color are the other ducklings?
Yellow.
Other ducklings are yellow. Very good. Okay, but the ugly duckling is gray. Number 6. Abby, Mia.
The ugly duckling has blue.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Wings.
Beautiful wings because he is a swan. But yes, Anna.
Wings.
What did you draw? Yes, very good. He's gray. Good job, Anna. Okay, what is that? What
It's a pond.
It's a pond, Anna. It's a pond. Very good. It's a beautiful pond. Last question. What part of the animal body is it?
Part of the animal
What part is it?
body is it.
What is it?
A beak.
A beak. Good job. It is a beak. Okay, so it had a long beak. A swan had a beautiful beak, not a tail. All right. Okay, so now we were talking about the ugly duckling. What animal are there in the story? Mia, Kemi. Anna, what animal are there in the story?
The ugly duckling.
The dogs and
The ugly duckling.
the ugly duckling. What is the ugly duckling? It is a dog, but he's not a dog. He's a swan, okay? And what other animal do you remember?
Geese.
Very good. The cat.
Geese.
The geese, chickens, and the geese. What else? Mia? Anna?
Do you need me to ride?
What?
I can ride.
You can ride? Yes.
The grandpa.
Now we are talking about animal, Kemi. What animal do you remember?
No more.
What about,
Teacher, do you want me to drive?
Yes, Anna.
Teacher, do you want me to drive? I can drive on that.
Yes, Anna, you can ride and show me, okay? So what about the dog? Was there a dog?
No.
No, very good. There's no dog. Good job. Was there butterflies?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's butterfly, Kemi. There are butterflies. Mention the butterfly there. Okay, so these are the animals in the story. Now we're gonna get back to our. We are done with the story, the ugly duckling. Now we're going to talk. We're going to play a games. Okay. Listen, Anna, Kami. We're going to play a games about farm animals. Okay. In this game, you can look into a pictures. You can see a picture, but you cannot say the words. When it turns for you to look into the pictures, other people have to close their eyes or turn away so that they cannot see the pictures. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now Kami, Anna, close your eyes and look away. Close your eye. No, not you, Mia, not you. No, you are not. Don't look away, Mia. Okay, now Mia, look into the pictures. And when you see the pictures, you have to ask Kami and Anna some questions, but you cannot say these 3 words. Okay? You cannot, close your eyes. You cannot say 3 words. Okay, you cannot say the 3 words, Anna. Mia. Don't say the 3 words. All right, so now, Mia, ask the question. You cannot say this word. No, Mia, ask it. Say it. Can you say the question? Can you ask Kami? Ask Kami and Anna. No, Mia, you have to speak louder. Okay, now let me play first so you understand.
What is it?
But you have to make the question so that Kami and Anna can understand. Okay, Kami, open your eyes. Kami, open your eyes. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to play the game. Okay, so I have a picture of the dog. I have a picture of the dog, okay? So, but I have to ask you the question so you can guess what animal am I talking about. But I cannot say bark, I cannot say born, I cannot say dog. For example, I will ask the question. I am a farm animal. I like to run and I like to play with the ball. What animal am I? I like to play with the ball. I like to play with the ball. I am a farm animal. So I cannot say I am a dog. I cannot say I bark. I cannot say I like born. Okay? Kami, do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Now let's Kami try first. Mia, Anna, close your eyes. Mia, Anna, close your eyes. Yes, Anna. Okay, Kami, your turn, okay? You have to ask the question about these animals, but don't say. Okay, Kami, ask the question.
That animal has that animal like to eat the mouse. That animal like to play
Like to eat the mouse? Like to play with what?
The ball.
Like to play with the ball too? Okay, Mia, Anna, you can open your eyes. I am a farm animal.
A cat.
A cat like to eat the mouse. Very good, Mia. Good job. So Kami, you didn't say the word cat. You didn't say the word fish. You didn't say meow. But she got the word cat. Very good, Mia. Okay, next turn. You can turn the one. You don't need to close your eyes. Just turn away. Okay, Mia turn. Tammy, Anna, close your eyes. Mia turn now.
Đi làm cái phải
Animals is in the farm, and the cow eats grass.
Grass.
The cow.
The cow, Mia. You cannot say the word the cow, Mia. Okay, I would say I am a farm animal. I am black and white, and I eat grass. So you cannot say I have milk. You cannot say I moo. Mia, you just say I am the cow. The cow eats grass. That is not correct. Okay, but Cammy did it well. Okay, next turn. Cammy, your turn. Mia, Anna. Okay. What? Anna, you have to guess, so you cannot see the pictures, Anna. You have to turn away or close your eyes. Very good. Okay. Tammy, turn.
That animal has the we can drive on that animal. That animal in the farm. That animal has the long tail. What animal am I?
Okay, Mia, Anna. You can ride on this animal in the farm.
Horse.
Very good, Anna, Mia. I am the horse. Correct. Anna and Mia did it well. I am the horse. Okay. You see the horse? So now Anna turn. Anna turn. Okay, but do you know who is it?
It's summer.
No, this is not Summer. It's me. Mia, Anna, Kelly, it's me. It's teacher Leah. This is me. You don't recognize me? This is me. And this is my horse. Okay. Anna. Anna, this is our teachers. Yes. Okay, and this is my horse. Yes, I am a farmer, but at least recognize me. All right. Okay, now Kemi and Mia, close your eyes. Anna turn. Kemi, Mia. Okay, Anna. Now your turn to say the animals. No, Anna, don't close your eyes, Anna. You need to ask the question to Mia and Kami. What animal is that?
This animal like to this animal like to eat. This animal has
Had two small ears or two long ears?
two small ears.
Two small ears.
This animal has 4 legs.
4 legs, very good. And
this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has 4 legs. And this animal has
Anna, and start with letter. Start with letter.
Smart.
Its name. Short tail. Very good. It has short tail. And its name starts with letter D. Mia, Cammy.
Donkey.
Very good. Donkey. Good job, everyone. Okay. This one is very hard for Anna because it's very hard to describe the donkey. Okay, I have 4 legs. I have 2 small ears. And I have short tails. I have my name starts with letter D. Donkey. Correct. Good job. Okay, next one. Mia, turn. Cammy, Anna, close your eyes. Anna, close your eyes.
No, never.
Turn away, Anna. Or you can close your eyes and say, turn away. Cammy. Cammy. Cammy, turn away. Cammy. You can look away. Yes, very good, Anna. Like that.
My
No,
turn.
Mia. It's Mia. Turn, Cammy. Mia.
But I'm fine.
No, it's with you and then Anna. Now it's Mia turn, not you, Cammy. You have to wait for your turn. Okay, look away, all right? Anna, don't pick. Don't pick, Anna. Okay, next question.
This animals has 2 legs.
2 legs. And
These animals swim.
can swim. Very good.
And these animals
And we read the story.
and have a long mouth.
A long beak.
Long beak.
Okay, Anna, Cammy, what animal is that?
The duck.
The what?
The duck.
Oh my God, Cammy. Very good, Anna, Cammy, courage. Okay, Cammy turn and then we can stop. Anna, Mia. Mia, close your eyes, Mia. Okay, Cammy, your turn now.
That animal has the long teeth. That animal has orange, many colors. That animal on the farm. That animals like to that animals have
Like to in the
letter animal and that animal stop with the letter
letter. Start with what letter?
R.
Start with letter R. Very good. Okay. Mia, Anna, I start with letter R. The rooster. I like to sing in the morning. Cammy, you can say, I like to sing in the morning. And I start with letter R. Okay. Now we are done with the farm animal. We're going to talk about the farm. We're going to talk about the baby farm animals. Okay. So how do you call the baby farm animals? What animal is that?
The moon.
The cow say moo, yes. But how do you call a baby cow? Mia, Anna.
The cow.
The baby cow.
The calf.
The calf. Very good. A baby cow is called a calf. Okay. And what do the cow like to eat? What do they like to eat?
Grass. Grass.
They like to eat grass and hay and clover. They like to eat grass, hay, and clover. And what can they do?
They can have milk to drink.
Very good. They can give us milk to drink. What else, Mia, Anna?
The milk.
They give us the milk. Okay. One important thing, Kami, Anna, Mia, cows can smell things up to 6 miles away. It can smell things, Mia. Listen, the cow can smell things up to 6 miles away. That means if you are in your room and the cow is outside in the street, the cow can smell you, yeah. It can smell very far. What is that, Anna? Okay, remember that not only the dog can smell very well, but the cow can smell very well far away. Okay, it can smell very far. Next one, we had the cow. And how do you call the baby horse? How do you But how do you call the baby horse, Kami, Anna?
Play.
The baby horse is called a foal. A baby horse is called a foal, okay? And what do the horse like to eat? What do they like? Apples? They like to eat apple?
No.
The horse like to eat hay, corn, grass, oats, fruit, and vegetables. Okay, Cammy, they like to eat fruits and vegetables and corn and hay. Okay, and what can they do? What can they do? What can the horse do? They can run fast and, Mia, what can the horse do? Okay, how do you go to sleep, Mia, Anna? How do you go to sleep? You stand up to sleep or lay down to sleep?
Lay down to sleep.
Yes, we lay down to sleep, but the horse sleeps standing up. They can sleep while standing up. So they don't lay down to sleep. They stand up and they sleep. The horse is very good, right? They can sleep while standing, but we had to lay down to sleep. Okay, how do you call the baby pig? How do you piglet or pigling? Piglets like duckling. We have pigling or piglet. And what do they like to do?
I have a baby.
You have a baby pig?
I have a baby chicken.
Baby chicken. Shake. The baby pig is called a piglet. What do the pigs like to do, Anna? It's like to jump in muddy puddle. It's like to sleep. It's like to eat. And it's okay. And one important thing, Cami, can you read this one, Cami and Mia? Mia. Pigs.
I feel so much. My mom is fun. That
Really?
is
Mia, can you read this one, Mia?
rồi. Pig, cat,
Straight. Pig,
wait,
cat, straight.
wait.
Okay. Straight is
Wait.
when you play sport, when you do exercise and the water coming out from your body, that's sweating. So when you feel very hot, Mia Kemi, your body is very wet. That means you are sweating. But the pig don't sweat. Okay. When even it's very hot, the pig don't sweat, but we sweat all the time. The pig, on the other hand, no. How do you call the baby sheep? Anna? Yeah. Baby sheep is called a
Lamb.
lamb. Okay. And the sheep people have the rectangle shape. Our eyes people have the circle shape, but the sheep has the rectangle shape. Okay, the sheep eyes people have the rectangle shape. Okay, we are done for the lesson today. Our time is up. So thank you for today, everyone. It's time to say goodbye already.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye bye.